another configuration for replica creation, we need to use this configuration, maintain LA distribution model. So in fact, the purpose of this configuration is to create one model view. In that model view, we will specify sender system as the ECC, receiver system as a GTS, and how those systems are connected with each other. So that I can show you. Probably you all can make a note. This object name interface will never be changed. In real time also, we are using the same object and interface. So object we are using here, customs document IF, and interface is synchronize IFR3. Let me show you all. Make a note. In real time, whenever we are connecting the system, no need to ask anyone, simply we use the same object. So in fact, with the help of LA distribution model, only system recognize, okay, this is my sender system, and because of this interface, data has to be replicated in so-and-so system. So generally it takes a little bit more time in order to open.
So before it opens, I have a question. So now you are checking all these RFCs related to GTS. Once you come to the particular transaction called the legal, menu underscore legal, correct?
Menu underscore legal R3.
Legal R3, because you are logging in from ECC. But in general, what kind of T code is being used for accessing RFC? Because RFC is not only using for GST, it is being used for
so we have different, right? Yeah, we have separate transaction code for all these 5 steps.
But that's what I get it in
54, BD93, all those transaction code we are using.
Yeah, you can, if there is a possibility, you can write down, it will be more helpful.
Okay.
You got my point. Because of GTS, the particular transaction, we are finding everything in a single screenshot. Whereas in general, RFC means, we need to have other T codes also.
No, here we can get everything, but
yeah.
Here we can get everything, but if you want to go to separate step, that yes, we need to use transaction code only, specific transaction code only.
So there are separate T codes for that, right? What is BD?
Yeah.
6. Yeah.
Let me check. Even I also don't remember. I don't.
Yeah, I think we can make it as an action item. I will also try to find. So basically, interfaces means RFC, IDOCS, and BAPI. Is there any other interfaces are being used in general?
No. So this is model view which we have created. Okay. As of now, I'm into display mode, but in real time mode, we need to go to the change mode of this distribution model view. So we can click on create model view, and then after creating model view, we need to click on add BAPI, and then we can add. So
okay, what is the T code? How you came to the screen? Just open that.
No, same. I didn't use T code. Simply, I just used last step.
Okay. So you were waiting for that ALE. That's what you were showing
now. Correct. Because if you don't have RFC connection, it's access. So whether we go via GTS area menu or via individual T code, it won't allow us to open. Right. So it is generally directly we come here to access all these steps. Okay. Meanwhile, so with these 5 steps, RFC connection is done. What does it mean? It means if we are creating any data, let's say we are creating a sales order. When we save the sales order will be transferred automatically to the GTS system because of this RFC connection. And I have shown that we are providing all this detail, target system, target IP address, target host, user ID, RFC user ID, password, this one synchronize object, everything we are giving details. With that, sales order will be transferred to SAP GTS successfully. But question is why we are transferring sales order? Because we need to process our foreign trade process in GTS. Let's say we want GTS system to screen our document. For which screen? Let's say we have implemented SPL. In SPL, we want GTS system to screen our customer master against the SPL list. Right? That is what our target is. So what GTS system will do, with the help of GTS configuration, it will screen our business partner name and address against SPL. And if there is a match up to some threshold percentage, let's say there is a match up to 90%, GTS system will block the customer master. Subsequently, it will block the customs document. So it means our sales order is blocked in GTS. So how ECC system will come to know that sales order is blocked? Or being SD consultant, not consultant, being SD user, I'm SD user, I saved the sales order. How do I know that this sales order is blocked in SAP GTS? Right? Definitely we are not going to, every time we are not going to ask GTS team, hey, can you tell me what is the status of this? Not at all. What does it mean? It means that if we are creating any data here, data is being transferred from ECC system to GTS system. How? With the help of this remote function call only. But we need this result back, screening result back into ECC. In ECC, we must know that yeah, our sales order is released or blocked or whatever it is. So how if we can get result back, same kind of configurations what we have done in ECC, we need to perform in GTS system. So this is two-way communication. This is two-way sided configuration. So same kind of configuration we need to perform in GTS as well, and then only we will get result back in our ECC system. Let me show you this model view. This is model view name. This is our sender system. This is our receiver system, and both the system here synchronize IFR3. If possible, make a note or just remember it always. Object name we use as customs document IF, which is nothing but for SAP Global Trade Services. Even method name we are using this synchronize IFR3 always. Okay, so how we can do that? We can, let's say,
IFR3?
It is method. So with this method only system create our mirror document. So here we need to give model view name. Let's say I can give some ECC GTS model view. Technical name we can give some, let's say EC GT. We have given name ECGT for model, that is model name. This one we have created. Now select this, click on add BAPI. So here sender system is T90 CLNT 090. Receiver system is T90 CLNT 200. This one object name customs document IF. I can show you the description. Customs document. This one. Global Trade Services customs processing for customs document interface. This is the interface, and method is synchronize IFR3. That also I can show you the description. Okay. 5,000 entries found. Okay. Why it is not coming? Oh. Okay, no issue. I can show you the description anytime.
Okay.
I don't know why system is not showing description, but remember that is also related to global trade services only. So in real time, we use the same method same method name, synchronize IFR3. There won't be change. Even as an interface object, we will be using customs document IF. Yeah, system is not showing. No problem. I'll show you anytime. So remember, these two we need to use our method.
Okay.
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 So that is what we need to do. So the main purpose of value distribution model is to provide senders, receiver, and we need to specify these two interfaces.